Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by getting hardware ready and hitting the register routine. Make sure the base is powered and the handset has at least half charge. This avoids interruptions. Once done, move the handset within a few feet of the base so the radios can reliably handshake. Press the base's reg or locator button, then on your handset go to Menu, Settings, and choose Register or Handset Registration. You're starting the pairing window now. This is the critical moment for both devices to discover each other. You're now in the middle of the sync where timing and input matter. When the handset shows available base ID, select the correct one and, if asked, enter the base PIN. Common defaults are 0000 or 1234, but use your set code if changed. Confirm on both units and watch the progress indicator. Pairing can take up to a minute while they exchange credentials. Make sure you don't power cycle either unit or move them far apart, because lost packets will abort registration and force a retry. Finish by verifying the handset shows the base ID and signal bars, and then place a short test call to confirm transmit and receive audio. Save the base number as the default and check directory sync if supported. If the handset isn't registered, one key troubleshooting tip is to perform a soft reset. Power cycle the base, restart the handset, then press register on the base and immediately start registration on the handset again. This clears transient radio conflicts and usually succeeds.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.